If you are desperate to get into real estate investing, but you truly have absolutely zero money and a low credit score, there is still one powerful strategy left for you. Wholesaling is the art of finding a deeply discounted off-market property and putting it under contract before selling that contract to a cash buyer for a profit. You are essentially acting as a professional matchmaker, connecting a highly motivated seller who needs cash quickly with an experienced investor who is looking for their next flip. Because you never actually take ownership of the house yourself. You do not need to qualify for a mortgage or come up with a massive down payment. Your only job is to negotiate a fantastic purchase price and then assign your legal rights to the property over to the end buyer for an assignment fee. This fee can range anywhere from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands, depending entirely on how much equity is locked inside the deal. While it requires a tremendous amount of hustle to find these hidden gem properties, it is the absolute best way to build your initial bankroll from scratch. Let's look at a standard assignment contract so you can see exactly how to legally protect your fee while closing. Your very first wholesale deal,